Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today I'm going to work on the 8th experiment of Case 2 Lab, which is the deployment diagram. So the aim of the experiment is to draw a deployment diagram for the Karunya University. So let's go on to the description part. Deployment diagrams are another modeling implementation diagram category. This deployment diagram models the hardware used in implementing a system and association between those hardware components. As you can see here, this is the component. This is how a component looks like. A component represents the software entity of the system. It Examples of it can include the source code of files, programs, documents, and resource files. The node. The node represents a piece of hardware in the system. This entity is represented by a three-dimensional cube. The association. The association drawn as a solid line between two nodes indicate the line communication between the hardware elements. This is how the association looks like. Association is represented. Then let's go on to the scenario of the application. The deployment diagram is to drawn to list and analyze the connection and the communication between different hardware components involved in the process, like Minecraft, IST, and other software websites that are used in Karunya University. So let's go on to the experiment. So this is the deployment diagram of Karunya University, as we can see here. So let's go from the first cube, which is the node. So first node is a web server which contains software components like mykarunya.edu, minecraft.org, and karunya.edu. Then then let's go on to the application server. Application server is the another node which contains FJB container. So this application server contains another node, and that node contains software components like student, seminar, and schedule. Then after that, we have also given the persistence and the vendor name is given as Amebi Then after that, let's go to the database server. Database server node contains my Karunya database, IST database, courses database, and the vendor is Oracle. Then after that, we have a mainframe server which contains courses of karunya.edu. Now let's go to the paths between the nodes. So first one is the mykarunya.edu, which is uh, which depends on my Karunya database, and after that we have a web server which depends on the application, so which is connected to the application server using RMI, and the application server is also connected to the database servers using JDBC, and we can see that application server is connected to the mainframe using the message bus. Then we can also see that the courses.karunya.edu is directly dependent to courses database. So let's go on to the next part. See the next part, we can see that this is the results, and I have explained the deployment diagram for the Karunya University, and the output has been verified. So this will be the last of it. Thank you.